Good morning. Wednesday, November 13, 2024. Our today's reading is Nehemiah chapter 8, 22, no, Nehemiah 8, chapter 8, verses 8 to 6, and Acts 8, 4 to 8. All the people listened attentively to the book of the law. Nehemiah 8, verse 3. Our topic for today is pay close attention. As I sat down in the auditorium, I face the pastor with my eyes fixed on him. My posture suggested I was absorbing everything he was saying. Suddenly, I heard everybody laughing and clapping. Surprised, I looked about. The preacher had apparently said somehow or something humorous, but I had no clue what it might have been. From all appearance, I had been listening carefully, but in reality, my mind was far away. It is possible to hear what is being said, but not listen, to watch, but not to see, to be present and yet absent. In such a condition, we may miss important messages meant for us. As Ezra read God's instructions to the people of Judah, all the people listened attentively to the book of the law. Nehemiah 8, verse 3. Their attention to the explanation produced understanding. Verse 8, which resulted in their repentance and revival. In another situation in Samaria, Philip, after persecution of the believers, broke out in Jerusalem. Acts 8:1 reached out the Samaritan people. The crowd not only observed the miraculous signs he did, but they also paid close attention to what he said. So there was great joy in the city. Verse 8. The mind can be like a wandering adventurer that misses a lot of excitement close by, close by. Nothing deserves more attention than words that help us discover the joy and wonder of our Father in heaven. Lord, our minds are so prone to distraction. Help us to be present in the moment, especially when listening to those who instruct us in your ways. The receiving of the word consists two parts. First, the attention of the mind, and second, the intention of the will by William James. Thank you and good morning. May you listen the Lord attentively so you can hear it loudly. Thank you very much.